Death mode. Okay, fellas, back here in the studio getting ready to paint. I've got 96 floats in this batch, and they will be going out tomorrow. What am I looking at? You. Paint today, varnish this afternoon, and then ship out tomorrow morning. So if you've been waiting on your floats and you're wondering when they're going to ship, I've been behind 1 week than I normally give. I like to tell people, give me 2 to 3 weeks, but sometimes it takes longer. 96 floats in one batch each. I have been using my airbrush a lot. It's taking too much time, and I've not been happy with the paint job with my airbrushing. It's just, and I'm gonna go to a dip method. In other words, we'll just take a float here. We got it taped off. We'll dip it in the primer, hang it. The primer dries, we'll dip it here in the paint, and we're going to an orange paint. This is just exterior latex house paint. Doesn't matter to you, you just want your floats, right? So, but I want to let everybody know, any chance I can't get it out tomorrow, they'll be shipping out Monday for sure. I make these things in batches, so a lot of times I'll get 3 or 4 or 5 orders all at once, and I'll just do that batch of orders. And if an order comes in after I've started that batch, I won't start that next order until I get done with this particular order and then get the next batch out. And that's just easier for me, and quite frankly, you'll get your product a lot faster, because if I just did it 1 order at a time, that's it. Custom handmade products take time. I thank you for waiting on me. This is usually what I'm doing with most of my time. That's why I'm not making many fishing videos. So there you go. B-roll, baby. Too thick. You're gonna get some, put it in a cup, thin it out some. Outdoor acrylic stuff you put on your house. Mad scientist mode. Oh, like, stop. It's what I call the dip and hang method. So you just dip it, hang it, dip and hang. You can do the varnish this way as well. Check out the video I had on that. Turn it around and dip that the same way. You ever wake up and wonder if you forgot to take a shower? Oh my gosh.